system. In education system, the biggest problem is one human being coming and telling another human being, how many times I should tell you? Still you have not understood that. That's the worst thing in an education system.
Okay, clear. Now coming to next, that is cylindrical. Here cylindrical, how it will be? Correct? This is how cylinder is, which will be having a length L and a dia at the end. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume, that is original volume of a cylinder, is what? Pi by 4 d square into L. What is volume? Volume is area into length. What is the area? This is circular section. Pi by 4 d square into whatever length it expands. Correct? That is what is volume of a cylinder. So volume, original volume of a cylinder is what? Pi by 4 d square L. Now when this is subjected to a push and pull, there will be a change in both the diameters as well as the length. So let me consider that part now. So the final volume what we will get is pi by 4 d plus change in d square L plus change in length. So this is pi by 4 d square plus delta d square plus 2d into delta d, right, into L plus dou L. So let me expand it further. So this will be pi by 4 d square L plus dou d square into dou L plus 2d L dou d. This is with multiplication with L. Similarly, I will multiply dou L with all. So this will be d square dou L dou d square dou L plus 2d dou d dou L. Now which all are 0 over here? If you see here, these are very small quantities, correct? This are very small quantities, so obviously this will be 0. So we are left with pi by 4 d square L plus 2d L dou d plus d square dou L. Correct? Now this is what? Final volume. Therefore, change in volume is what? Final volume minus original volume. So final volume is pi by 4 is common in both. So I'll take it d square L plus 2dl dou d plus d square dou L minus d square by L. Correct? See here, d square by L. So from here this get cancelled and we are left with pi by 4 2dl dou d plus d square dou L. Correct? So this is what? This is the change in volume. Therefore, volumetric strain. Strain is what? Strain is change in length to original length, but here we are doing with respect to volume. So this is the change in volume with respect to original volume. So what is the change in volume? Change in volume is this 2dl dou d. So this I'll write accordingly. That is pi by 4 2dl dou d plus d square dou L divided by original volume pi by 4 d square L. Pi by 4 get cancelled. So here this will be dou dl dou d divided by dou square by L. We get it what? dl get cancelled, so we are left with dou d by d, and in this case d square get cancelled, so here it is 2, sorry I missed 2, this 2 was there. Then here d square is cancelled, so we are left with delta L by L. So from here we are quite clear that change in volumetric strength, if L, if you are taking a cylinder, if you take this cylinder where D if we consider in x direction and L in y direction, then change in length will be 2 times of a strength in x plus 1 time in y, correct or not? This is what is volumetric strain for cylindrical body objects. So I'll write the same. So the EV for cylindrical object is 2 times of this by L.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free, ANC.